Hi guys, welcome to AVC Labs channel. This video will show you how to upscale image online. Just register AVC AI and upload the images. You will come to the main interface of the program. Then there is a ribbon below the images. Here we choose Upscale. Here you can see the upscaled and enlarged cat image comparison. Let's try to enlarge the image to 200% and turn on face refinement. Next, click Start Processing. The small pop-up window will show the credits that need to be spent for this processing. The images have now been processed. It doesn't take long, and you can do anything in the meantime. Now that all 3 images have been processed, let's take a look at the processing effect. Sliding the vertical bar in the middle of the picture left and right, you can clearly feel the upscale of the image. The second image is also processed well, on the basis of preserving black and white tones. The picture details and quality have been optimized. Now to the last image. We can see that the size of the original image is small. But after zooming in, you can still see that the details after upscale are excellent. Can't wait to save these upscaled images. Now let's take a look at the 3 images saved in high quality. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and get 60 credits if you want to upscale your images.